Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best floor lamps in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. IKEA Wall Lamp Clamp Spotlight Off-White Ranarp. Product dimensions: width 6, depth 13, diameter 6, height 5, cord length 138, shade steel, powder coating nut / shade holder / tube / support bracket / mounting device / mounting bracket, steel, paint joint, steel cord anchor, polycarbonate plastic bracket, zinc, paint sleeve, stainless steel ring, polypropylene clip, steel, chrome-plated bolt / adjustment nut, steel, nickel-plated cable hanger, polyamide. You can easily aim the light where you need it because the lamp head is adjustable. For instance, you can direct the light on the book you are reading, use it as an uplight, or aim it to focus on a specific area in the room. Number 4. Adesso 6237-2 Oslo Floor Lamp. Corrosion-resistant, scratch-proof, white matte finish lighting equipment with metal body. Tools and home improvement, matte white. An interpretation of Scandinavian design, the Oslo floor lamp features a matte white modified tulip-styled base and body, and is topped with a hardback drum shade of white Japanese paper. The horizontal striped paper adds subtle pattern that is highlighted when lit. An on/off rotary switch is located on the socket. This lamp has a clear cord and is smart outlet compatible. Bulb is not included. If you're looking for a floor lamp primarily for ambience or to read under occasionally, and you also prefer the classic lampshade design with contemporary cues, the Adesso Oslo 60 floor lamp is our favorite. It's heavier and less likely to tip over than other console lamps. Number 3. The EPODVER Wood Tripod Floor Lamp. Mid-century standing lamp. Modern design studying light for living room, bedroom, study room and office. Flaxen lamp shade with E26 lamp base. High-quality material. The lamp is integrated with high-quality nature rubber wood tripod, which is enduring, durable, and aesthetic. Its sturdy design makes it wobble-free and safe to have around children and pets. Stylish design. The EPODVER wooden tripod lamp fits in modern architecture and decor. It has a unique stem with 3 wooden holders that makes the lamp stable enough. Its rounded linen lampshade looks gorgeous and modern in almost any room in your home or office. Bulb requirements. Bulb is not included in the package. With an E26 size screw base, the bulb can be installed as desired. Number 2. Adesso 4305-22 Treo Floor Lamp. 68.00 x 14.00 x 11.70 inches, brushed steel. Decor floor lamp. The Treo floor lamp offers plenty of light and offers easy storage solutions within a decorative yet small footprint. 3 satin steel poles secured in a round base, each hold a white linen cylindrical shade. The poles also support 2 clear acrylic shelves for display or storage purposes. Metal lamp. 3 pull chain switches control each of the 340-watt incandescent or equivalent CFL bulbs offering varying light settings. This lamp has a clear cord and is smart outlet compatible. Bulbs are not included. Modern design. Elevate your home decor with modern chic lighting fixtures from Adesso. Our vast array of lighting options is sure to bring the perfect style and ambience into your home. Number 1. Adesso 3607-21 Felix LED Wall Washer, Antique Brass. All Adesso lighting products are either UL listed or ETL listed, meaning it has been tested and approved to meet the government-regulated safety standards for the USA. When shopping for lighting products, we recommend to always look for the UL or ETL marks to ensure you are purchasing lighting that has been tested for safety standards by a third-party testing lab. Unfortunately, not all lighting products in the marketplace have been through third-party safety testing. A lamp best suited as a secondary light within a living room, a bedroom, or an office. The Adesso Felix LED Wall Washer is designed to bathe corners with a bright yet intimate glow. enough to transform a room from being simply lit to feeling warmly illuminated.